Hey everyone, welcome back to a new vlog. I know you guys loved my previous one. Excuse me. You guys loved my previous vlog, so I'm gonna try and do another one. And I'm honestly not doing anything special, but I'll try and make my vlogs as entertaining as possible. But I love vlogs where people just chill at home, so I'm gonna try and do the same and share as much as I can. I really need to get rid of this dirty old mattress. I got a new one, which I'm so excited about, and this is like so old. My sister using my table. Who else loves El Darby's vlogs? Oh, so cute. Oh my god, look how cute that is. We're also getting our fence done. If you look way at the back, it's so bad, like it's so crooked and broken and old, and we're getting it all done, and I'm so happy about it, honestly. And these are really high as well. I guess this is adulting, where you just get really excited about fences. But we had to wait weeks and weeks for the materials, and I finally got them last minute from another supplier, and now we're finally getting it done. It won't be finished today, probably next week, but once it's done I'm gonna be so happy. I'm wearing my PJs and they're so cute. Oh, I love Tweety, and these are so comfortable and they're really soft as well. I don't know if the quality is really great here, but I just thought I'd quickly show my PJs. We actually ordered sushi. Honestly, this sushi place is so bomb, and we've ordered like 3 times this week from the place because it's that good. Guys, this is my dinner. I know it looks like not a lot, but this fills me up so much, but it's so yum. Like this sushi is like rice in underneath, and like this chili onion kind of like tuna and salmon with some wasabi sauce. Happy Tuesday everyone. Again, not a very special day. The fence is finished, which I'm so happy about, and I actually ordered some cupcakes and I thought I'd show you. So these are the cupcakes I got Oreo for my husband because he likes that. I got red velvet for me, carrot cake that we might share, or I might eat myself, and I got some coconut, and I got coconut for mum as well. So I'm just gonna demolish that. I might have the red velvet one right now actually. That looks so yum. I definitely prefer the coconut one, but I'm glad I tried this one. And I'm gonna bring the coconut one up to my mum. Good morning everyone. I just had breakfast and I'm just working. I've got a lot to do, so I'm just gonna put my head down today and, you know, finish all the reports I have to do. I know, right? Fun. But I was just gonna say, I was just having my cup of tea. By the way, I'm obsessed with Yorkshire tea. Like, I'm over PG tips. Okay, we don't need PG tips. And I've been over like the Mauritian tea as well for a bit now. But I've been really obsessed with the Yorkshire tea. But I was just gonna say that every time I got this new hoodie, right? So I got this new hoodie and it's typical of me. I've got like hyaluronic acid there for my skincare. Tea went all over it. It's this collusion hoodie from ASOS. It was £8 and it's actually so comfy, and now I want like more because I don't know what it is, but I'm so cold all the time. Do you know what? I know you guys love the vlogs. I asked you guys on Instagram what videos you want to see, and so many of you said vlogs, but like some of them is just going to be me at home, you know. I feel like I need to venture out a little bit, but I also need to be careful because of my mum, right? But whenever we go out, it's literally like Uber everywhere, or we ask my sister. But my sister's kind of sick of us asking her to bring us everywhere. She's like literally the family taxi, so she's just over it, like over it. I'm going to do my best to make these vlogs as interesting as they can be, but I can't guarantee anything. But yeah, I love this hoodie. It's so nice, like, and the hood's nice. I might get the black one. They're so comfy, honestly. Guys, my husband got me these new trainers for our anniversary and I'm so obsessed. They're like so different and like square in the back. Oh my god, my mirror's so dirty. But we're gonna go have some idli and dosa for my break because we're always at home. And this is the fit. I'm wearing my friend's t-shirt, although I didn't realize how big it is. I got a size M. So yeah, I'm really excited to go have some nice lunch. Hi. Hi, it's Anushka. Always getting an Uber, guys, always. Thank you. I don't know if it's the mask, but I've just been getting major breakouts. So yeah, I ordered mini idlis with sambar and like all the chutneys, and we're gonna share a masala dosa, which I'm so excited about. So yeah, I'm filming on my phone just to be as discreet as possible because I still need to get used to vlogging outdoors. Really, this is what my food looks like. My mum got the big ones, I got the mini ones. I wish there was more sauce though. Guys, honestly, the food is so yum. Demolished it. So now we're just gonna go to get some Indian sweets and what's that poo? Oh, the person. Just walked by a fish shop and stunk. And oh my god, I asked for coffee at the restaurant and the guy was like, okay, coffee, and I'm like, no. Coffee. I know my accent's not that great, but it's not that bad either. So yeah, we really enjoyed our food. Guys, look how good this looks. My favorite is the dark gulab jamun. And I might get one of these too. And yeah, I only like gulab jamun. So yum, guys. I do like laddu, but I'm not going to get any. 3 dark gulab jamun.
No, other one.
The other one.
Other one.
Yes, that one. Is that gulab jamun?
Yeah, kala gulab jamun.
Oh, and then 2 pink ones, please. One of my friends actually recommended me to come here, and it's actually so good and also more affordable. Everything's really clean as well. $6.99 per kilo, that's not bad. These are my sweets, my sister's. Oh, 3, you're gonna have 3?
No, I'm not gonna have one.
Oh my god, I'm gonna have 1. Yeah, look at all you eating. This is not gulab jamun. Since when is it red inside?
Red.
No, but it literally tastes like it though. That's so weird. I'm not used to this.
Oh my god.
Thought I'd share with you guys some stuff that I got through the post. I'm so excited to be trying this. I got niacinamide and hyaluronic acid by The Ordinary. My sister's been using these and she kind of did a before and after of her skin, and it actually made a huge difference. And I've been getting so many like blemishes, especially like here. I feel like me wearing a mask definitely has something to play with this, but also like my bad diet that I've been having. I've been eating a lot of just junk food, and I'm not drinking enough water, so I'm literally doing all the worst things that affect my skin. I just bought these products to help me out a bit. I know it's not going to completely fix it, but I know with time it will help. I'm just gonna wash my hands. So it's like really cloudy. I don't know what it is with my hair as well. Like I literally wash it and it gets oily so quick. I'm putting the hyaluronic acid now. Oh, it's so gloopy. Oh, that is a nice hyaluronic acid. Feels nice. I'm gonna try my best and wear these every day, morning and night. I am back. I'm just gonna use my Embryolisse Philadelm emulsion just a little bit because I need to get a new night cream. Then I'm gonna use some of the Wishful Get Even oil. This one's really nice. That's my skin, my nighttime skin routine. I think these 3 will definitely be part of my nighttime routine, like the oil and the 2 serums. I need to get a night cream. I really like the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizer and the Corey's Pine Moisturizer, but I finished both of them, so I need to get some more. I also got some other bits that I thought I'd show you. But yeah, Makeup Revolution came out with some new mascaras. Palettes, I already have these, so I might keep these for a giveaway. I also got a bunch of stuff from Colourpop. It's like a kind of like cool tone collection. It's the taupe collection. And I thought these products would be great to use in a video where I try a cool tone look, because I rarely do that. But I've seen some pretty like cool tone eyeshadow looks lately on Instagram. So I'm definitely going to be using this collection in a video very soon. I just feel like I want to create some looks. So yeah guys, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.